Full, full, full. Hello? Wow. How are you? Woo! It's very, very busy inside the Duke. Wow. Super busy inside of there. Wow. Very, very busy. Show inside, yeah? Just let me show from the door, I won't go inside. There we are, there's a look inside. Very little norms. Super busy inside there. Wow. Shoes and running shoes and things in there. Big collection inside. There's all the handbags as well and everything. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 7:30 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the very popular tourist street of Jalan Melasti. So my starting point for tonight's video is going to be the main gate entrance for Legian Beach, and I'm going to walk all the way up to where the street of Jalan Melasti finishes and meets the street of Jalan Raya Legian. As I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all the hotel accommodation options, all of the restaurants, sports bars, all the tourist goods shopping, massage and spa, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this popular street here in the Legian area of Bali. So tonight I've already walked down the street to get to the beach location to make the start point for tonight's video. I've already walked past all of the places I'm going to film. It appears to be quite busy in a lot of the bars and restaurants due to there being some kind of football or something on the TVs, so we shall take a good look in those places as we're walking past, just give you a general idea what you can expect from the Jalan Melasti here in the Legian area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and take a night stroll here in Legian. Okay, so this is the start point of tonight's video, the main gate entrance to Legian Beach. I've already checked the beach out, there's nothing too much going on there. This is the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta, heading back towards Kuta Beach area. Beach Walk shopping malls also in that direction. I have a brand new restaurant, I think, on the end here. It's called Asian Fusion, that place. Let's go and take a walk across in between the traffic just to show you the name. Asian Fusion. And then we're going to be heading along the street of Jalan Melasti in tonight's video. A few tourists walking on the street here. Okay, so this is Legian Beach Gate entrance there. Just here we have the entrance or exit to the Pullman Hotel. A few tourists on the street here. Wow. There is the Pullman. We also have a spa there, and we're going to keep walking along the street now. So we've had quite a few tourists behind me, some walking in this direction also. This is all the Pullman here. Okay, we've moved a little bit further on along the street now. That's the Legian Beach Hotel on that side. Just back on this side we have Donna Spa, relatively new spa. No girls out the front here. It's busy inside, I think. There's a few customers inside. The menu and things here. Different massage package, different packages available as well there. All there at Donna Spa. We have another big groups of tourists coming up the street here. Continue walking. We have lots of traffic on the street here. We have the 14 Roses Beach Hotel here in the green. It's just located just down there. A few other places as well and things down there. 14 Roses Beach Hotel. I've featured that in a video, so I'll have the link in the description for you. Okay, so there with the green sign, the 14 Roses Beach Hotel. Mired with motorbikes now. And then just on the opposite side we have the Legian Beach Hotel. It's up there. It's the main gate entrance through there. We have PT Sari Dana Valuta Money Exchange there. We have Melasti Spa also there. There's no staff at the Melasti Spa. It's continuing up the street with lots of traffic. We have the Duke here. We're going to head across. Let's Going across the street to the Duke. Have the happy hour on the beers there. It's very, very busy inside the Duke. Super busy inside of there. Absolutely full the restaurant. Wow. Busy all along the front here as well. With the copyright music here. There's quite a few tourists on the street. We have a little section of the market across the street there. Money changers, little shops and things on this side. And then next we have the Holy Guacamole. It's busy inside here as well. Wow. Very, very busy. All the footballs on the screens there. Very busy inside. It's Holy Guacamole. Busy along the front here as well. Just down the side here of this place, Rung Kampung. Money changer as well there. Not sure about that one. A spa here. Tattoo studio, Mr. Dolphin Ink Tattoo Studio. And we're going to head back on the other side just to take a look at these places. Okay, so this is Holy Guacamole here. We have Coral Stone Spa there. Mr. Dolphin Tattoo here. Next along the line we have Uncle Norm's. We have Mini Mart. We have Sheppy's restaurant just a little bit further up. I'm going to take you in and show you Norm's. There's Norm's. Very busy in there as well. Uncle Norm's. Super busy inside there. Wow. Very nice. Just continuing on, we have Sheppy's just next door. Sheppy's Bar and Restaurant. Very, very busy in here as well. Wow, look at that. Oh, super, super busy in there. Full. Hello? Wow. Very, very busy in there. Blocking the street while I'm filming. Lots of people going past here. Circle K. I'm going to cut back across on the other side of the street. We have the Code Blue Medical Centre here. Mini Mart convenience store. There's a look back at Sheppy's. Absolutely loaded with customers in there. Hello. We have the Goat, the pub of Melasti here. It's not too busy in there. Never really is any time. There's sometimes live music on there. We'll cut across anyway. There it is, the Goat, the pub of Melasti. Not really much going on. They have the flat screen TVs with the sport on in there. How are you, brother? You good? Can I show inside, yeah? Just let me show from the door, I won't go inside. There we are, there's a look inside. Very, very busy in there. Wow. Okay, so we have the Goat, the pub of Melasti there. We have Saka Energy Healing Spa. We have Carla Spa there. None of the massage girls are out tonight. Carla Spa looks as though it's busy. And then just turning back on this side, we have Jalan Sahadawa, aka Garlic Lane. Just featured that street in a video. Have the Legian State project there. We'll see Carla Spa, Saka Energy Healing, Yes Spa. We're going to go across to Carla Spa, just show you through the window. Okay, so just cutting across the street now to Carla Spa. I'm getting in the way of that. It's absolutely loaded with customers inside of there. Very, very busy. Full with customers inside of Carla Spa. Yes Spa next door. There's no girls outside again. Maybe it's busy with customers inside. Doesn't look busy, that one. So look at the Legian State project. Another place called Raf's Store here. Shoes and bags. So the nice shoes and running shoes and things in there. Big collection inside. There's all the handbags as well and everything there. Wow. Very, very nice. Have another Raf's across the street there. Exactly the same shop, this one. Another small restaurant there. Let's just cut across. Not sure what this is called. What's the name of the restaurant? Ooh. Pizzas, order now. It's just in the back there. Another rafts shop here. Just a look back. Yes Spa, Carla Spa, rafts, Hemopharmia tourist information there. This is the street of Jalan Bali, just down there. Elegance Ayu Spa here. Lotus Noir, art and luxury. Some nice looking stuff in there. A little bit quiet here actually. The organic spa. Oh, there's quite a few, I see customers inside of there. Just across the street here we have the Mangani Hotel. The Mozzarella restaurant as well there. Quite busy actually inside that. It's a very popular restaurant, that one. We'll cut across and show you the name. Mozzarella restaurant and bar. Just in the back there. And the hotel is the Mangani Hotel and Spa. A nice looking hotel that. Let's give you a look back across the Ink Nation, Yes Hair Bliss, Legian Golden Square. We have Hungry 7 there. And then we're going to cut across on the opposite side of the road. We have a interesting place here. This is called Float Spa. I'm not sure what this is all about, but looks very, very interesting, unique. It's closed now. Pharmacy next door. Some massage and spas here again. A few people. We have Maureen Spa. We're going to say hello to Maureen Spa. We have a Coco Express. We have Norman Store, and here we have Maureen Spa. Hello, good evening, Maureen Spa. How are you? Woo! All the ladies and gentlemen there. Is this a good spa? Yeah. The best one on Melasti? Yes? Yes. So this is the best spa on Melasti, Maureen Spa. Thank you. Just continuing up the street, so we have lots of tourist goods shops and things here. Oh, we have another spa across the street here. So just cutting across the street here, we have a Central Kuta money exchange. This is a safe one, it's a legitimate spa this. We have one spa next door here, Toyang Massage and Beauty. Hello, good evening, how are you? It's a massive... How do you say this? Toyaning. Toyaning Spa there. We have Lucky Bali Spa #1. Wow, #1, you have 7 or 8, no? Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. How many spas do you have?
5.
No, 7, no? Well, 8. I see #8. This one, yeah?
Yes, but another spot first thing 5.
Oh, okay, so 5. Okay, thank you, ladies. Woo! I thought they had quite a few spas there, but she said 5. Guardian Pharmacy. I think I've actually seen maybe 7, 8, 9, something like that of Lucky Spa. Masari Hair and Beauty. That's Lucky Bali Spa 1. The Raya Restaurant. Let's look at the menu. Different things on the menu there. Chicken spring rolls. Customers in there. Not super busy, but busy enough. More spas, more tourist goods shops on the other side of the street there. We'll just keep walking up the street here. Here we have Lemongrass restaurant. Very popular restaurant this. Okay, so just on the other side at Lemongrass now. So quite busy again inside of there. A few customers in there. Volkswagen Combi in there. Very, very busy inside. Also a cart running up the street there. We'll just continue on. A few more shops again here. Tourist goods shops, shoes, clothes, lots of things going on. Hello, good evening. Whee! We have the axe throwing here. It's just upstairs there. We also have the Whittier Hotel as well. I think it's Whittier. Something hotel. It's just in the back here. We'll just go and just show you in. It's a little bit in darkness, but you can see there's a swimming pool there. There's a swimming pool and rooms all around here. Okay, just continuing on from our axe throwing. We have the Loft Legian. This is a hotel accommodation. I actually stayed here years and years ago when this was brand new. It's a very cheap hotel that. I'm not sure about the quality of the rooms now. This next door is a place called Jock's Boutique. It used to be Jock's Boutique Hotel. It's finished now. I'm going to cut back across on the other side to the market area. Okay, so there's a Loft Legian. That used to be a hotel called Jock's Boutique Hotel. It's now closed. So just on this side we have a local market selling all of your typical tourist goods. Lots and lots of things available there. Ladies' dresses, ladies' pants, perfumes, sunglasses, lots of stuff there. Ooh, gonna miss it. We have the beer bus. So the beer bus has just gone back past, we just missed that. Just across the street there we have the Rivavi Hotel. I think that's, not sure how you pronounce it. Salty Soul restaurant here. There's the Jock's Boutique, a closed down restaurant. Salty Soul. Ooh. Nice looking restaurant actually. Hello, good evening, how are you? Nice looking restaurant inside, but unfortunately nobody in there. Smoothie bowls, big breakfast, 102k. Some things on the menu there, interesting. And then it's part of the, I don't know how you pronounce this. I'll show you the name so you can take it in yourself. What's the name? Rivavi. That's the entrance into the hotel. Very, very nice. I'm just coming from our hotel here. I've Charm Bliss Coffee Corner across the street there. There's the name, Charm Bliss Coffee Corner. Again, not too busy in there. Flat screen TVs. Hello. There's a buy two bintang get three weekend special. Don't know how much the first one is. We have Riska Spa here, spa and beauty salon. Very, very reasonably priced massage and different services there. Wow. Hello, good evening, ladies. Hello. So we just continue walking now. We're almost at the end of the street. Some of the businesses are just packing up now. We have the money changer there. And then we're here now on Jalan Raya. So we have the Grand Mas Hotel. I featured that in a video. Bella Italia restaurant. And then we have the Mercure Hotel here. And that concludes tonight's video of Jalan Melasti. There we go.